This is your demo of the VSL Studio platform. It's great. Once you log in, you'll see the dashboard first thing, and it's so simple. The section shows the different categories or styles of videos that you could create with VSL Studio. They're all right there. You have 12 different categories of videos, including dynamic stock footage, 2D, 3D hybrid animation, whiteboard, paper craft, stop motion, infographics, and a whole lot more. Now, this section is where you create your videos, right here. With VSL Studio, you could create videos using several different methods, all right? And the first one is very, very easy and very effective. You simply paste the URL of the website or landing page that you want to have the video made about. In other words, the content within that URL, within that web page, will be reflected in your video. Now, the second method is adding your prompt, which can be as detailed or as simple as you want. So in other words, you just type what you want it to do. For upload, you simply upload your PDF or Google Doc that has some information about your business or about the actual video that you want to make. For scenes, you can actually add a description to each scene that will be 8 seconds long. You could add additional scenes to fit the video length that you want. And this way you can customize your video a little more manually. Okay, so now select the style of video by clicking on the style. If you click on the dynamic stock footage, for instance, it will show right here. If I click right now on the 2D, 3D hybrid animation, it will switch. Then select the voice that you want, the duration, and if you want the resolution to be horizontal or vertical. Okay, now in other words, you could do an up and down video or a left-right video. Now the advanced setting allows you to turn on captions, select where you want them to be placed and the caption style, along with selecting which language if you have that. The voiceover will be in whatever language you choose, should you have that capability in your particular purchase. Using the URL as an example, I've opened a Roto-Rooter Plumbing Company website. To create a video for this company, I just grab their website URL, just paste it in the URL field, then I pick a category that I want. I'm searching for a male voice for the voiceover, and to hear the voice before selecting, you could click the play button. All right, I'm selecting Thomas, and 36 seconds duration, and horizontal, and then generate. And you can see how simple and easy this is to do. That's all I did. Once you click generate, you'll see a pop-up message in the upper right that states that your video is in the queue. And then in the output area, it shows the percentage of the rendering process that has taken place. Now, once the rendering is done, simply click on the video to view it. Click on the 3 dots, and you could download it from here. Now, for prompt, you can enter a simple, very basic prompt describing the type of video that you want to create, or you could be as detailed as possible. I will add, create a video about how to start a new online business right now. And that's it. I just wrote, create a video about how to start a new online business. And I'll select line art animation and Rachel for the voice with 36 seconds duration and horizontal resolution, and then I'll generate. Now, while that is generating, you could create another video. Say you reached out to a local business and they gave you a detailed PDF about the company. You could upload the PDF in this section and select the style that you want and complete your other selections and then generate this one. Next is scenes. Now, the concept here is to build your video sales letter scene by scene with full control over messaging, visuals, and pacing. Now, I'll walk you through creating 2 scenes. The information for the first scene is thinking of starting an online business, and the second scene is you can start an affiliate marketing business and grow it to 6 figures in the space of 12 months. Now I click save, and you can see that 2 scenes are added. Then I select the category. In this case, the scenes take care of the timing, and therefore I can't choose a video length. But the rest of the process selection is the same. As you can see, this is a very simple and easy platform to use and navigate The rendering is fast, the videos are eye-catching, and built-in persuasion is there. Thanks for watching this demo of VSL Studio.